And so
sorry for taping my foot.
and so we've got the tape, kind of have about like 5 to 6 meters of that, and then
what's this, Coban kind of stuff?
This is a athletic tape which is self-adhesive, so yeah. See, it kind of sticks on its own. Yeah. Ooh, that didn't do that.
So this is what they use to, after you give blood, they wrap your...
Similar, right.
Yeah.
Right. And so basically what I'm doing is I'm maintaining that figure of 8 along the way. And that's all it needs. So there's one layer there, there's another layer coming up. Probably would do one more layer, but that's the max, because it's pretty thick cloth. And again, that you don't want to have a lot of restriction when you sock in the shoe.
So how much are you pulling on that? Not much at all?
There's no, well, there may be 10% maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it is elastic, but it's not like the kinesia tape elastic. It's more to create that nice adhesion between the tape. Yeah, the key, as you know, is to have no wrinkles while you maintain that nice figure of 8 structure going. And that's all.
Okay, here it is.
Oh, thank you. Shit. Now sometimes this needs a little clip, but as the nature of the tape is, it stays on itself, so we'll find out how good it stays.